pals. So today I'm going to be doing a Halloween tutorial. It's my first Halloween tutorial ever. And I'm going to be doing this scary kind of pumpkin look that I did on my Instagram recently, and y'all were loving it. Like, I think it got like over 500 saves, so I was like, have to start with this one. I hope to do a lot more of these as well, so definitely let me know what kind of looks you want to see. And let's begin. So I already have just one layer of foundation on, and I set it with a little bit of powder just as like a base. And I didn't bother filming that because that's boring. So I've seen like a lot of kind of pumpkin looks on Instagram, and when I was doing my own, I didn't really know where it was gonna go. So I started off with the mouth, and that's what we're gonna start with today. So first of all, I'm just gonna kind of like sketch out the outline of the mouth using just like a brown eyeshadow, so that if you mess up, you can fix it. My brown eyeshadow is like all the way over there. Oh. Okay, and to draw it on, I'm just going to use a little angled brush. The beauty about Halloween looks, I think, is you can literally be as messy as you want and it still looks good. Sometimes it's like the messier the better, honestly. And then as I gradually get further out, I'm going to make the teeth like longer. Cool, so now that we have the shape and we're happy with it, we're going to start to fill it in with black. So I would recommend to use a black gel liner just because it'll last way longer than just a black eyeshadow. So here I'm going to use the Carter Beauty Supreme gel liner. I'm just going to use a tiny little flat brush just to kind of fill it in. I kind of go back and forth between like an angle brush for like the edges and then a more of a flat brush to fill in the bigger gaps. Okay, I look absolutely crazy, but I'm just gonna fill in my actual lips with the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Weirdo, just because it is a lipstick, and I mean, you don't have to, you can just fill it in with a gel liner, but I'm just being extra. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly do my eyebrows off camera. This looks so weird when I talk. Okay, so I'm gonna do all the kind of black bits first and then the orange after. So next we're gonna do the little nose, and I'm just going to use that little flat brush again, same gel liner. I like to do kind of two little points and then bring it around and then fill it in. So I see like when a lot of people do pumpkins, they do like the upside down triangles and that kind of thing. But I was trying to make this kind of a girly pumpkin. So we're gonna do like big wings and a kind of a back cut crease sort of deal. So I'm literally gonna start like I would my gel liner, or my wing liner I should say. I'm gonna bring it out fairly far. And then I'm literally just gonna swoop it in. It's probably the wrong brush for this, but you know what? It's fine. Okay, it's not fine, I'm switching brushes. It feels so satisfying to do a wing that big, like you don't even have to hold back. That's why I love Halloween. And again, we're gonna fill this all in. Okay, so for underneath the eye, we're going to do pretty much the exact same thing and bring the black completely under, and also put black in my waterline to completely black out the eyes. And I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and kind of a fluffy pencil brush just to really smoke out the bottom. You can literally just go crazy, like, it's Halloween. It's freaking bats. I love Halloween. I'm gonna do that as well to just the top here as well, just really like smudge everything out. So while I have that black shadow here, I'm also gonna set all the black that I've already done, just because it is like a gel liner, so you don't want it to kind of transfer everywhere. Okay, so now we're going to do the little lines going up and down. I'm just going to use a black eyeshadow for this. And what I'm going to do is just go like every point on the mouth and bring it all the way up. And literally just pretend you're going right through your eye, through your brow, and up. I'm going to leave these ones here in the middle and just do the lines on either kind of eye, and then leave a gap in between, just so we're not like over cluttering the face. Cool. Okay, so now to really make it look like a pumpkin, have here my Morphe 35B palette, literally the best color palette in the world, and I'm going to use both a mix of this bright orange here and this kind of lighter orange. So I'll show you. Okay, so with the darker orange, I'm literally just going to go into the little crevices of the mouth and just brush upwards. I'm also going to go around the nose and the eyes as well. Pretty much everywhere that I have something black, I'll kind of smoke it out with the orange. And then with that lighter orange shade, I'm just going to use this just to kind of blend the edges of the other orange. Okay, so now I'm just going to add a pair of lashes, and then we just have one more step and we're pumpkin chic. I don't know. So when I did this the first time, I was going to leave it here, but I was like, it could do with a little something something. So to spice it up, oh my god, pumpkin spice. I hate myself. I'm gonna add this kind of copper glitter. I got this on Amazon. I literally just searched like festival glitter and I got a pack of like 8 different kind of glitters. So to stick this on, I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetics base booster. It's just like a glitter glue. I think I got this on Beauty Bay and I really like it. So I'm just squeezing a little bit on the back of my hand and getting a little pencil brush. And I'm going to put the glitter literally like in between all the little lines. Okay, I'm just picking it up on the same brush and tapping it. I'm also going to put a little bit in the inner corners just to tie it all together. And that, pals, is the full complete look. Super easy. You can be as messy as you want, slap it on, bit of glitter, and you're literally good to go. Yeah, I can't wait to do more of these. I want to get a good few out before Halloween, just so that you can have a little bit of inspo. I'm going to try and make them as easy as possible as well. And again, let me know what kind of looks you want to see. It would be amazing if you could add black contacts. On my Instagram picture, I just edited, that word is so hard to say. I edited my eyes black, and I really liked how it looked, but I don't got no black contacts right now. So I hope you enjoyed, and make sure to, it looks so weird when I smile, I can't actually take myself seriously. Make sure to like the video and subscribe, and I will see you next time. That'll give you nightmares now.